Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with chapter 5, that is compound interest. Now, first of all, I just want to tell you what is the difference between simple interest and compound interest. About simple interest, you have studied in your lower classes, isn't it? So, now what is simple interest? The interest calculated on the same principal for each year is simple interest. But what is compound interest? Here the principal increases every year. That is, interest is added to the principal at the end of every year. So the interest for the next year is calculated on compounded principal. So now let us start with exercise 5.1, then you will be able to understand what is compound interest here. Okay. The first question is find the amount of rupees 6,000 for 2 years at 15% per annum compound interest. What is the principal given here? That is rupees 6,000 and the rate is 15%. Interest for 1 year is equal to 6,000 into 15 into 1 upon 100. That is by the formula P into R into T by 100. So you got the interest for 1 year is rupees 900. Therefore, amount at the end of 1 year will be 6,000 plus 900, that is rupees 6,900. So now this amount becomes the principal for the second year. Got it? So now here the principal is rupees 6,900. Interest is equal to again simple interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. Therefore, you will get 6,900 into 15 into 1 upon 100 is equal to rupees 1035. Therefore, the amount at the end of second year is equal to 6,900 plus 1035. That is equal to rupees 7,935. It's clear to everybody now? So now you're going to do the rest of the questions of this exercise 5.1. Got it? Do it as homework, okay? So that by Saturday, if you have any doubt, we'll discuss it through Zoom meeting, okay? Now next is the compound interest formula. Here the compound interest formula is given by, first of all, for amount it is P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. And compound interest is, what is compound interest? That is amount minus principal. So therefore the compound interest formula is P times 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus 1. Got it? The amount formula for amount is P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Got it? And compound interest formula is compound interest is equal to P times 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus 1. Got it? So now let us start with exercise 5.2. Your first question is find the amount of rupees 4,000 for 3 years at 5% per annum compound interest. The principal given to you is rupees 4,000. And what is the rate? 5%. Time period is 3 years. Now we'll substitute these values in the formula of amount. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. So here we get this as 4,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power 3. Now what is 5 by 100 equal to? That is 1 by 20. So we'll get it as 4,000 into 1 plus 1 by 20 to the power 3. But what is 1 plus 1 by 20? That is 21 by 20. Isn't it? 1 plus 1 by 20 becomes 21 by 20. So this is equal to 4,000 into 21 by 20 to the power 3. So on simplifying this, you'll get the answer as 9261 by 2, that is equal to 4630.5. So therefore your amount is equal to rupees 4630.50. Clear? So using this amount formula, you are going to do question number 2 and 3. Fine. Now again we'll do question number 4. Sorry, here it's printed as 5. we will be doing question number 4. In question number 4, here the principal is rupees 2048, rate is 6 and 1 by 4%, and n is equal to 3 years, isn't it? So again, here also we have to substitute the value of P, R and N in the formula of amount. What is the amount formula? That is, amount is equal to P times 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. So this becomes 2048 into 1 plus 6 and 1 by 4% becomes 25 by 4%. So we'll write it as 25 by 4 into 100 to the power 3. So on solving this, we know that 25 by 4 into 100 becomes 1 by 16. So this becomes 2048 into 1 plus 1 by 16 to the power 3. That is equal to 2048 times 17 by 16 into 17 by 16 into 17 by 16. On solving this, we see that you'll get 4913 by 2. That is equal to rupees 2456.50. This is the, what is this value? This is the amount here. Amount is equal to 2456.50. Now, but in the question, you need to calculate compound interest. So, what is the formula for compound interest? Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. That is 2456.50 minus 2048. So, that is equal to rupees 408.50. Is it clear to everybody? So, now here till Saturday you are going to complete till exercise question number 5. Fine. Question number 6, 7, 8 will be discussing through the Zoom class. Okay.